Hey guys, Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and today we have Pooja on the call. Pooja is an ex Paytm employee and she has been looking for freelance opportunities and she has been looking forward to learn digital freelancing. So she has joined the batch 4 of the Digital Deepak internship program, and today we are going to ask about her experience of the internship program and also the results that she has achieved and the path she has taken to start working on her own personal brand and start growing as a freelancer. So, hey Pooja, welcome to the call.
Hi, sir. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure talking to you.
You too. So, Pooja, let's start with understanding about your work experience because you are not someone who is fresh out of college and you are not someone who is just a student. You are a professional. So, talk a little bit about work experience and how you found out about the internship program and how you ended up joining in the program.
Okay. So basically, sir, I had been working since last 5 years into sales and marketing. So into that, I have done various job roles, which gradually grew up. So I was like working with Paytm as a team lead currently, but I had certainly a passion wherein I can move towards my own venture or I can start up solo. So that was my aim basically. So I had an experience into like cold calling, into field marketing, into kind of upselling, cross selling. So I was into a sales process basically. So the process started from sales to means end to end sales basically. It started from lead generation towards nurturing the leads and then closing the lead also. So that all process I was doing for many companies. So I had worked with Little Internet Private Limited earlier. Then I had worked with Jaro Education was one of the firm which was into marketing the distance MBA courses for institutes like Wellington Institute and Narsi Munji Institute, as well as Alliance University Bangalore. So we were into marketing their products to B2B clients. Maybe we were conducting events or we were finding the people who are actually interested into buying distance MBA products. And after that, eventually I joined up Paytm, wherein I was working for their lead generation as well as I was working for Paytm ads. So I got much to explore into Paytm. I was working for last 2.5 years over there. But gradually into Paytm, I got an idea ki what is the scope into digital marketing, and there are so many people who are going solo as of now, and how we can exactly start up our own venture. And I was just influenced by the people, how they work and what is their work schedules they're working like. It's not just restricted to one region, India or somewhere like that. You can work like globally, you can work. So I was impressed with this part, that I could get to interact with so many people abroad also, as well as in India. I could get more to learn. So basically my journey was towards learning something new, as well as to understand exactly how I can follow my passion. And sitting at one location, what all things you can do. It's not like it's a virtual thing that you do all the time, but then also you are live with everybody. So this part was which I was impressed with. And I came up like I came across many people and many basically women entrepreneurs who have been growing recently. So they had their own ventures, they had their own ideas, the way they were representing themselves on LinkedIn, and the awards they were gaining. There were so many people who were featured into Forbes magazine, and their experiences they were sharing. So I was very influenced by all this part, but I was in a starter level of digital marketing. So my first thought was ki I could start my agency, because I had some kind of capital with me wherein I could invest. But the thing is, I didn't had a proper guidance into that how I can start, what should be the steps. And obviously I didn't had any niche into that. So what I did was, firstly I did a basic course from Udemy, but that wasn't that much to a upper level. So I came across certain people who told me about your internship program. And I was very impressed by the idea that you are providing the 100% cashback for the program, because I was searching for the courses, and the courses were very costly. And at this point of time, I didn't even knew what is my niche niche and exactly what should I learn into digital marketing, because it's a very vast field. So at this point of time, I didn't wanted to invest a large amount into that. So I came across your course, and I was like very excited to join this course because there were so many people. There was a community wherein we could interact with them, as well as especially you yourself, you were teaching. So the thing is ki you are a successful person, and learning from you was such a pleasure. Your experiences you were sharing in each video, you were sharing your experiences, and how you came up, what was your journey. So all these things inspired us a lot. And because of that, like you told in a video that how you left your job and you started your own venture, and you started exploring. After engineering also, you were doing so many things. So that was the only reason I was able to leave my job from Paytm. Otherwise, I would have kept working, and part time. I would think, ki, let's do something part time. Let's see. But obviously, the courage that I got was directly from you, because I got to see somebody who is actually successful after leaving his job, and the time period also was taken by you was a very less time that you succeeded in your basic domain, and how you are right now providing the guidance to the people, influencing people, as well as you have your own agency set up. So all these things, I just thought, yeah, I could also do this, because yes, I'm learning from somebody. I've seen a person who has done this. So finally, I left my job and I started into freelance. So my niche is into lead generation. I have selected my niche also, and that was only because of this program that I got to know, ki, yes, I really have an interest into this field, and I can actually explore this more.
Fantastic. That's quite an interesting journey, and congrats on having the courage to quit your job and eventually, get into freelancing. And that is what I recommend people also do. I mean, working for 3 to 5 years in a corporate is fine. At least 2 years is something that I would recommend everybody to do to get the exposure and experience. But after that, once you start your own thing, you become your own brand. That is the first step in becoming an entrepreneur. And actually, you don't need any startup capital to start out as a digital freelancer, because the only thing that you are investing is your time, right?
Right.
So how was the experience trying to get your first client and eventually realizing that, okay, this might work as an alternative career option?
So when I got my first client, at that point of time, I had not left my job. So basically, I got my first client, and then I got a confidence that yes, I can get more clients, and I got an idea exactly. So basically, I was on LinkedIn, and I had been sharing about your posts, I have joined this internship program, and how I'm growing into this, and many value things I was sharing over there, what I learned into your program. So out of that, I got one person who approached me for an freelance lead generation process. So the company is into website development, and the website development, I have to generate the leads for their website development projects. So we are tapping the clients into that. So this was my journey. So they approached me upfrontly, ki we are into so and so. So they are also just starting up. They have past 6 years of work experience into freelancing field, but they have launched their company very freshly. So they want lead generation services into that. So I'm providing lead generation over there.
So in
So
fact, they are a company who are into digital marketing, website development, and lead generation themselves. But even being a company who is specializing in that field, they wanted your help to generate leads. I think
yeah.
those are the lead generation techniques that you know because of the internship program, which is probably more efficient than what they can do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Obviously, because there are so many tools that have been discussed. There are so many methods that have been taught. There is a technique into which you can, drop emails to people. There are email marketing tools, and there are so many things that you can do with your prospects. How you can convert the leads into hot leads. So that kind of thing. And the best part was that the number of leads I generated. Normally, the lead conversion ratio is 2% to 3%, but our conversion ratio was almost 80 to 90% lead conversion ratio was there. So we generated such a qualified leads. So this
That's
all things I have learned through through this internship program only, how we can generate the quality leads and how should be the approach towards the lead. Like you taught ki how could we provide the value first, and then you could ask a person to come into your sales funnel or buy your product exactly.
Fantastic. Tell me a little bit about the learning experience through the internship program and how it felt to get cashbacks for each and every assignment completed every week. And what do you feel that, why do you feel that this program is better than the other training programs out there?
Basically, sir, when we started up, so my experience with the internship program was very good. I got the timely cashbacks. Not even one internship was there wherein I didn't get the proper cashbacks. And when I started up with the this program, at that point of time, we were into completing our completing our assignments and all that part. So I was like very enthusiastic to complete each and every assignment that I had, and whatever I learned, I completed it very properly. So that was basically an exciting thing, and I got the timely cashback. So I got very much motivated that yes, I can earn more. And after the program, also we had a bonus cashback week also. So from that all part, as well as I gained a very much good community also, wherein I know people. If I have any doubt, I can interact directly with them, as well as you, then Kamna Jain, then again Krishna was there. So we had a chance to interact with you people also if we have any doubts or queries. And the best part was that we got so much time to complete our assignments very much properly. So that was the best part, because being a working professional, it becomes very difficult to cope up with the deadlines and all that things. But I eventually, through all of your guidance, I did it properly.
Fantastic. So, did you make friends in the community, and does it feel like now you are belonging somewhere where you can reach out to them if there are any doubts or even to share your success stories?
Yes, yes, sir. We made very much friends. We now I have so many contacts who are into digital marketing. So basically, earlier I didn't knew anybody who was into digital marketing, and I was very confused to whom I can connect with exactly. So over here, I have got so many people who already are experienced into this, who are working with you, and who have certainly experience into your field. So I have connected with them through LinkedIn also, as well as I've gained many friends wherein I can, even in nearby future, if I have any task other than lead generation, I can outsource my work also. So that things have been a great part to support this journey.
So, Pooja, tell me about your future plans. What are you planning to do 5 years, 10 years down the line with your career?
So my basic plan is to have a digital marketing agency. So right now I'm doing into lead generation, but yes, I will be converting into a T-shaped digital marketer, as you have shown ki how we can exactly move from one domain to another domain, or one niche to another niche. So all these things I've learned exactly. So I don't think so okay when I need to take up any other program other than this, because this has been the best program that I have done. And to explore more, yes, obviously your upcoming programs will be there, so I would be joining surely that programs, because I have seen the quality of the material that I have got through this program. So learning process will be going on, but my basic aim is to start a digital marketing agency. So wherein I can based out of Pune, so wherein I can work full time into digital marketing. And in addition to that, I have a plan to have a one more startup journey. So that is into an ideation field. So let's see, I could. We are basically coming up with a product which would help into offline shopping domain. So that product is and side by hustle that I'm doing right now.
Fantastic. So this is the kind of journey which is optimal for anyone's career as well. People come out of college, they are fresh, they probably need some work experience and corporate exposure, which is something that you have already done. You have worked in Paytm and you have headed sales and marketing. You were a team lead. And then before jumping into a startup phase and before going to a place where you can invest money and develop a product, it's a little bit of a risky thing, because when people come out into the world, they do not understand how you need to have a product market fit, and how like 80% of the products that are released fail. And people are not aware about the importance of sales and communication and lead generation and all that. So when you start out as a freelancer, it is same like a job, but now you can have like multiple clients instead of a single employer. You can spend your time and energy, which is the product, but at the same time, you don't need to invest money in developing a product. So you are the product, you are delivering a service. But at the same time, people in jobs do not learn about customer satisfaction, client satisfaction. How do you sell? How do you reach out? How do you follow up? How do you have that product market fit? I think freelancing becomes a very good place where you learn all this. You have a communication with the client, you raise an invoice, you do the finances yourself and everything, which kind of makes people ready for their entrepreneurship journey. And when you become an entrepreneur, there are two kinds of things that you can do. One is like a service startup, and one is like a product startup. Product startup is also like a service, except the product is doing the service for you, and you invest in building the product. In a service startup, you are doing the service yourself, maybe with a team of people. If you build a team, then the team becomes your product. So then obviously you can become an agency from being a freelancer, and as an agency you will have a little bit more leverage. Instead of delivering all the projects yourself, you can have your team to deliver it. Instead of doing all the sales code yourself, you can have a team to do it. So now we are transitioning slowly from being a job to eventually building like a product startup which can be sold, right? So the journey
Right.
contains freelancing, then agency, then scaling the services, and then eventually probably you can build an internal product to kind of make the service even more efficient. Like for example,
Correct.
you can invest in a product which can generate reports for your clients automatically, right? So it's a
Correct.
multi-year journey, but it's a very very good journey. And anyone who is working in corporate and does not have a plan for the future, I think they should start freelancing on the side. And one thing that you said really stood out, which is what I recommend in my programs, is that get a freelance project, one or two, before quitting your job, so that now you have a confidence that okay, you will not completely dry up. You have some savings, probably a family supporting you, but you cannot completely dry up with income also.
Correct.
So one or two freelance projects, I think it would help.
Yeah.
So yeah, what are the future training programs that you are looking forward to learn from me?
So definitely, I'm planning for lead generation program from you because I know you are a lead generation expert and you have been doing it for many companies. So I want to learn from you exactly what is the lead generation process, so that because every company has their own process to generate leads, to collect data, and to approach. There is a different kind of approach. Some go good with ads and some go good with email marketing. So everything I want to learn from you, so that I can, eventually, I have decided my niche. So I want to stick to my niche and I want to excel into this niche, so that I have an confidence that even if I switch my niche further, then I can, excel in that niche too. So I'm looking forward to your lead generation, uh, like lead generation
Fantastic.
internship.
Fantastic. Glad to know. Glad to know. And we will also be doing meetups in different cities for our interns. So let's hope all this, settles, and maybe in 2022 we will start doing the meetups. So definitely looking forward to meet you someday.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. You come to Pune, we can meet and we can have a good time. I could, have a face-to-face interaction with you, exactly learn from you so many things.
I think we
Because
have.
sir, the one thing I learned from you was your body language and how down to earth you are. Like after achieving so many things, people don't even speak to to their students or to their interns on a one-to-one level or on the personal level. But having such a huge batch, also you have so much time, and the time management is hats off first of all. And the second thing is ki you're so down to earth that you yourself you're addressing each and every query and each and every point that you feel important. So
Mhm.
that's really a good thing that I felt.
Thank
I
you.
felt
Thank you.
comfortable into this program because, sir, we felt so much like we didn't feel that we are doing an online program. We felt that we are always being guided by somebody. So, wherein if I have any doubt, like not even for one single time, I was tense. Ki, what should I do right now? Or I have not got my cash back, or I have not. This was not even one single time throughout the program. So that was a very good experience.
Fantastic. If you don't mind me asking, just curious, how much money have you made from your freelancing career so far?
So I've made up till yet I've made 50,000. So I've got 50,000 payout, but there is more payout to come out right
Yes,
now.
yes.
Yeah.
I mean, you have already probably won the project, and
Yeah. Yes.
those payments are still yet to come in.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm.
So it has been 1.5 months that I have got more new two clients. So
Okay.
basically, on that basis, I will be taking out the payouts from them.
So imagine all the clients end up paying you for all the work that you are doing. So how much would you have made with this career?
Yeah. So with this career, like in 1.5 months, I think so. I would have made 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs easily. Right. That is a payout that is needed to come right now. That is I'm expecting
Yeah. So you
to.
will be raising the invoice and the client will be paying you.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
sir.
Fantastic.
So that
Fantastic.
is a very, that is a very good feeling because the into Paytm I was earning a very limited,
Yes.
funds. So
Mm.
over here I can scale as much as I
Yes.
want. I can,
Yes. That's the
work with
best part about it. Like if you are in a job, even if you are like a high performer, you will probably have like
right.
a 10% or 15% raise, and then probably you need to wait for a promotion. But with digital freelancing and being your own startup and doing all the digital marketing and stuff, I'm pretty sure that by next month, you will start having more confidence, and probably by next year, you might be able to even reach a income level of 3 lakhs a month if you scale with more clients, more services. Probably have a team because you are already a team lead, so you know how to
Yes,
manage a
sir.
team. So you can
Yes,
put
sir.
like two salespeople, two people to deliver things, automate everything, and probably take a vacation.
Yes, actually, this is a good thing into freelancing that I have my own time, I have my own space, I can work from anywhere that I want. I'm not reporting to anybody basically. I can work according to my time schedule. It's just the project and it's just the quality of work that you deliver ahead.
Fantastic. So glad to see very satisfied students. I can't even call my customers because they are my students. That's how I treat them.
Yes,
And glad to see that people are taking action. And probably the way we have designed the program is to make it more experiential rather than just watching a video or like reading a book, watching a course. It's more like you have to do things. Ask a community, get results by doing things, and iterate on it and develop it. So I would definitely want to have a call like this, probably after 6 months or 1 year, and track how much you have grown in your career.
sure,
So
sir.
all the best for your future. And
Yes, sir. Thank you,
thanks
sir.
a lot for being part of the Digital Deepak internship program.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.